Welcome back. Now, I know this episode is my top 5 favorite listings on the market right now. This listing has been sold, right? And I was going to do it as an honorable mention, but it's too good to be an honorable mention. So at number 3, we're staying in Chelsea. And this is going to be, with 8.65 million, get you in Chelsea right now. This unit has just been sold. So let's check out the market. Right off the foyer, we enter the first of 2 secondary bedrooms. This bedroom is complete with its own en-suite bathroom. The bathroom is styled with Cristallo Pearl Home marble flooring and polished marble wet walls, creating a spa-like atmosphere with timeless elegance. The room is bright and easy to use, but let's make our way into the second secondary suite. Mirroring the design of the first, this bathroom features custom vanities, oak cabinetry, and Cristallo Pearl counters, making the space feel put together and easy to enjoy. The secondary bedroom continues the same attention to detail, bright, inviting, and thoughtfully designed. But let's step into the crown jewel of the home, the primary suite. First, the en-suite bathroom, outfitted with polished opal white marble countertops and Nesto's beige marble slab on both the floor and the walls. Adjacent to the bathroom is a spacious walk-in closet, tailored to provide both functionality and organization. The primary bedroom itself offers a common, expansive feel. And just beyond it, you step into a 1,100 square foot private terrace. The private terrace has south, west, and north exposures. You also enjoy partial views of the Hudson River and stunning natural light all day long. This outdoor space really sets this apartment apart. I mean, how amazing is this? Wow. From here, we head back into the heart of the home, the living and entertaining area. The windowed living area bathed in light, offering architectural elegance and open views. The kitchen is a standout centerpiece. You have Calicata Venato marble slab countertops and backsplash. Flawless design for everyday living or hosting gatherings. And here's what 8.495 million looks like in one of New York City's most sought after neighborhoods. Thank you for joining me. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. All right.